Hey, Patrick. Good morning. How's your morning going?
Good morning, Shirley. My morning is slow, kind of soft. You know those mornings when you wake up and everything feels a little quiet?
Oh, yeah. Like the world is whispering instead of talking?
Exactly. That was my morning. I made coffee, sat in the kitchen, looked out the window for like 10 minutes. I wasn't even thinking, just sitting.
Sometimes that's good. Sometimes the quiet mornings tell us something about how we're feeling inside.
Yeah, I think so. And today it feels like a thoughtful morning, maybe a little emotional.
Emotional. In what way?
Not sad exactly, more reflective. Like my mind wants to look back on old memories.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know that feeling. Some mornings do that. They invite memories.
Yeah, and I thought maybe today, for our episode, we could talk about something more personal, something real, something people feel but don't always talk about.
Okay. Like what?
Sad moments.
Oh, that's a big one, but also a beautiful one. And honestly, people learning English need this. Real conversations about real life, not just, how are you?
Exactly. Everyone feels sadness, and talking about sad moments makes people feel less alone.
I agree. And we can take it slow, gentle, like two friends sitting on a porch, drinking warm tea, talking about life.
Yes, that's exactly the tone I was thinking.
Then let's do it. But before we begin, let's introduce ourselves for anyone new listening.
Good idea.
Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley. I'm from the U.S., from North Carolina. I love warm tea, soft blankets, long walks, slow mornings, conversations about life, and talking with Patrick here.
And I'm Patrick. I live up in Oregon. I love hiking, good stories, coffee that's way too strong, and talking with Shirley. And today we're talking about something deeply human, sad romance.
Yes, not to make anyone upset, but to help us connect, to help us understand ourselves, to help us speak honestly.
And also to help English learners hear real, emotional English. Slow, clear, true.
Exactly. So, shall we begin?
Let's do it.
So, Patrick, when you think of a sad moment from your life, what's the first thing that floats into your mind?
The first thing? Well, I guess the moment that always hits me is the day I moved away from my childhood home.
That can be a very emotional thing.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that sad. I was 18 and I thought I was so grown up. I thought moving would be exciting, a fresh start. But when the house was empty, when the rooms were quiet, something inside me just collapsed.
Oh, I feel that. Empty houses feel like ghosts of who we used to be.
Exactly. I walked through each room slowly. The living room where we watched movies every Friday, the kitchen where my mom always made pancakes on Sundays, my bedroom where I spent hours dreaming about the future. And suddenly it was all over. The walls stayed, but the life that filled them was gone.
It's like saying goodbye to a piece of yourself.
Yeah. And I cried. Not loudly, just soft tears that I didn't expect. Tears that tasted like memories.
That's really beautiful, Patrick. Sad, but beautiful.
Thank you. What about you? What's a sad memory that stays with you?
For me, the first one that always appears is the day my childhood dog, Max, passed away.
Oh no. Pets are like family.
Yes, he was my best friend, my comfort, my buddy. I grew up with him, and I remember that day so clearly. The sky was gray, soft, quiet. Max was tired. I sat next to him on the floor. His head rested on my lap. I stroked his fur and I whispered, "You're a good boy." And I cried the whole time.
That breaks my heart.
Mine too. But at the same time, I felt grateful. I felt lucky that I had loved something so much that losing it hurt that deeply.
Wow, that's powerful. Sadness comes from love.
Exactly. You can't feel deep sadness without deep love.
That's true. Very true.
You know what I've noticed? When we talk about sad moments, our voices naturally slow down.
Yeah. Sadness changes the rhythm of our words.
It's like our hearts tell us to be gentle.
And for English learners listening, this slow emotional pace is actually really helpful.
Yes, emotional English is easier to understand because people speak from the heart, not from the mind.
I like that.
Me too.
Can I ask you something a little deeper?
Sure, go ahead.
What is a sad moment you don't talk about often? Something you carry quietly.
Okay, I'll share one. It's tender, but I trust you. And I trust our listeners.
Take your time.
A few years ago, I drifted apart from a very close friend. We didn't fight. We didn't hurt each other. Life just slowly pulled us in different directions. And one day I realized we weren't close anymore. We weren't talking like we used to. We weren't sharing life.
That kind of sadness is so quiet, but so deep.
Yes, it's not dramatic. It's not loud. It's just loss without noise. Like a candle that burns out without anyone seeing.
I felt that too.
You have?
Yeah, I had a friend I talked to every single day. We were inseparable. And then life happened. New jobs, new places, new schedules. One day I looked at my phone and thought, wow, I miss this person. And it hurt in a slow, heavy way.
That is exactly it. Losing a friend is one of the most silent sadnesses in life.
Yes. And nobody teaches us how to grieve friendships.
But we should, because friendship heartbreak is real.
Speaking of deep moments, do you remember the saddest time of your adult life? Something that changed you?
Yes, I do. I went through a season of burnout and confusion. Every morning I woke up feeling heavy. I wasn't excited about anything. I felt lost. I felt like I had no direction. And sometimes I cried in the shower so no one would hear.
Oh, Shirley.
One day, I was driving home from work. It was raining. My chest felt tight. My eyes felt tired. And suddenly, I had to pull the car over. I was crying so hard, I couldn't see.
That sounds terrifying.
It was. But it also became the moment I decided to ask for help. That moment, as painful as it was, saved me. I spoke to a therapist. I changed my routine. I learned to rest. And slowly, the sadness softened.
You're so strong, Shirley. Sharing that is brave.
Thank you. What about you? What's a sad season that changed you?
There was a time I felt very lonely. I moved to a new city for work. I didn't know anyone. My family was far. My coworkers were nice, but not close. And every night I cooked dinner for one and ate alone in silence. Some nights I didn't speak a single word.
That kind of loneliness is painful.
Yeah. One night I sat on my couch and felt this empty space inside me. Not sadness, not fear, just emptiness. And I thought, is this what my life is now? That question broke me.
Oh, Patrick.
But that moment pushed me to change. I joined a hiking group. I talked to people. I let myself reach out. And slowly, life didn't feel empty anymore.
Sadness is often the beginning of growth.
Exactly.
What does sadness feel like in your body?
Let me think. I think sadness feels like tightness in my chest,
something heavy sits inside me, and sometimes a lump in my throat.
I feel that too. And for me, sadness often feels like tired eyes, like my eyelids are heavier than usual.
Yes, and slow breathing and slow movements.
Sadness slows everything down.
It really does.
You know what else is sad?
What?
When you open the fridge and someone ate the last slice of pizza.
Okay, that's a different level of sadness.
It is extremely serious sadness.
Oh yes, deep emotional trauma.
Very dramatic, very tragic. Shakespeare-level sadness.
Oh, thank you for making sad topics a little lighter.
We need balance. Even in sadness, there is room for laughter.
When you're sad, what helps you?
Writing, journaling, crying, talking to someone I trust, and sometimes soft music.
Oh yes, music can hold your emotions for you.
Exactly. And you?
Nature, walking, fresh air, trees, rivers. I talk to the trees sometimes. Not literally talk, but I feel like they listen.
Trees are good listeners. They don't interrupt.
Exactly.
Did you have sad moments as a child?
Oh yes, so many. Like when I lost my favorite toy, I cried like it was the end of the universe.
Children feel emotions so big. Small things feel huge.
Yes. What about you?
I remember once not getting chosen for a school team. I ran to the bathroom and cried because I felt not enough.
Oh, little Shirley.
Yeah, kids carry sad moments more loudly.
Because everything you feel as a kid feels like forever.
You know what's interesting? Sadness is universal.
Yes. Everyone in the world understands sadness.
No matter your language, no matter your culture.
Sadness is a human language.
Exactly. And that's why talking about sad moments connects us.
As we start reaching the end of our conversation, can I ask you something?
Sure.
What has sadness taught you?
Many things. Sadness taught me to love deeper, to appreciate moments, to hold people closer. Sadness shows me what matters.
That's beautiful.
And you?
Sadness taught me that I am stronger than I think, and that sadness never stays forever. It moves, it changes, it teaches.
Yes. Sadness is a river, not a prison.
I love that.
Before we close, let's say something to anyone listening who might be feeling sad right now.
Yes, good idea.
If you're feeling sad, you're not alone.
Not at all. We all go through sad seasons.
And sadness does not mean you're weak.
Sadness means you cared, you loved, you lived.
And sadness is temporary. It will pass.
And while you wait for it to pass, be gentle with yourself.
Talk to someone. Rest. Cry if you need to.
And remember, sadness is part of being human.
And you are doing your best.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're honored to share this moment with you.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, dear listeners.